All right, so another repair method we can use, especially for hard lines, is we don't necessarily have to chase the grain and stuff. We can do some wet sanding. So if we've got a dark or a light area we're trying to blend in, we can take some more Chroma, paint it back on our area to help reactivate some of that extra color. And then instead of, having scraped the grain and stuff, we're gonna take 120 diamond or 120 black that we used to originally do the floor, and we can hand sand that back in, help take off the dark area. Kind of look down through it, make sure we've gotten rid of that hard edge. And you might have to flip because the stain is going to, whether it's the dry or the wet, it's going to load up your paper a little bit. Still want to kind of blot off the product, and then we can kind of start our wiping in and our trick wiping to blend everything out. Again, usually starting from the outside and working into the middle of our repair. And understanding that newly applied Chroma is going to look a little different than Chroma that's been down even for the couple hours. So don't try to get it the same color right away. Maybe take a walk around the block, then come back and determine if you need to wipe off a little more in the middle, because it's fresh is going to be darker than stuff that's already dry. So what I don't want to do is wipe too much of it off here and then come back and see that I've got actually a light spot in the middle now. So that's taken out at least my hard lines. I think I've got it blended pretty well. Gonna go take a little walk, come back. If it still needs a little more, I'll rub it down more with my damp board, my dry cloth first, and get the color right, and we'll go from there. But that's also how you can do a repair for hard lines with some wet sanding.